In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Nexcess hosting, step by step. Whether you're building a blog or an online store, understanding how to set up WordPress is essential for getting your website off the ground. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you need to log into your Nexcess client portal. Head over to nexcess.net in your web browser and use your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose your hosting plan. Navigate to the Plans section and decide between Managed WordPress or WooCommerce based on your website needs. Have your plan purchased and ready. With your selected plan in hand, go to the Sites section to create a new site. This is where the magic begins. Click on Create New Site, and when prompted, select WordPress as the type of site you want to set up. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter a name for your site and the domain name you want to use. After carefully entering these details, go ahead and click Create Site. Nexcess takes it from there, automatically installing WordPress for you. This automated process might take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Once the installation is complete, you'll be directed to your site dashboard. It's important to note down your WordPress admin URL, along with your username and password, as you'll need this information to log in and make changes to your site. Speaking of logging in, open your browser and go to your domain.com's WP admin. Enter the username and password you just saved, and voila, you're in. The next step is where you can start customizing your new WordPress site. Begin by exploring themes. Head over to the Customize section and install themes that fit your brand and style. Themes are like the clothes of your website, so choose one that aligns with the look and feel you're aiming for. Plugins are also crucial for extending your site's functionality. From the dashboard, you can add plugins that cater to specific needs, be it SEO, contact forms, or social media integration. If you need to import content from another site, this is the perfect time to do so, ensuring that your content is moved efficiently and seamlessly. Now, security. It's vital to enable SSL for your site. In the Nexcess dashboard, navigate to the SSL section and enable Let's Encrypt. This feature enhances your site's security by encrypting data, making your site more trustworthy for visitors. Finally, don't forget to point your domain to Nexcess. Update the DNSA record to your Nexcess server IP. This step can take anywhere from a few minutes to a full day to propagate, so be patient as changes take effect. And there you have it. With these steps, your WordPress site is now active and ready for the world to see. Happy building!